doing today? Alright, so it's a Saturday morning and we're out here on the 59 panel van. We're going to start doing these floors. And yes, it is me. Cut the COVID hair off. A little bit of a change. We're going to mark and cut these driver's side floors out. And then the side panel here, we remove the door. So both doors are off now. Got to fix those also. We're going to cut out a bunch of this weak stuff. It's been patched before, so we'll make our own patches. So yeah, so we're going to do that. So I'm going to put you on a fast forward through that, and we'll check back in there after. Alright. Okay, so we got most of the rock cut out of the floor. I wanted to leave some to weld to. So we're going to leave this centerpiece here because that's a support for that runs all the way through, and that's still pretty solid. The back part of here, I already cut out one rotted spot, so we'll finish that off. I'll just put a patch in there. This round hole is an access to the mount for the transfer case, which the mounts rubber are pretty bad, but we'll take that later. Take that up later. But the floor has been patched before in various places, so I'm just going to make it as strong as possible and go for it. Alright, so now we got to figure out, we're going to have to cut that to fit in the hole. But before that, we have to paint the frame. Get that frame painted, and we gotta buy the motor to mount for the floor, and then we'll go from there. All right. Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. I'm Andy, and we are working on the 59 Ford panel van floors again, the driver's side. We're going to be trying to get as much done today as possible. We got some gardening to do later, so get as much work done on the floors today as possible. And follow us along. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get this party started. Okay, so we got the panel all prepped and the floor prepped, and it's sitting where it needs to sit. We're going to weld it in. We're going to start the welding process on it and working it as I go along. It's lined up there pretty good. It's lined up on that. So that should be good. And all right. We're gonna get the welder set up, and I got you on time lapse on the other camera, so we'll start welding the floor. Okay, another successful Saturday working on the 59 Ford panel van, coming to you from inside 59. And we did a lot of good work today on the floors, got a lot done, got most of it patched up. I still got to do the side step area, the A-pillar, and the side of the cowl. But we got a lot done. We got the floor welded in, all patched, everything patched in, and it's coming along. Can't wait to drive this thing. But yeah, we got a lot done today. We're inside the panel van. Got a lot of the floors patched in. Um, we're gonna finish the side step and the A-pillar and the side of the cowl. Um, maybe get a little work done tomorrow, but I am going to the pre-63 swap meet at the Carter Hill Farm. Um, that is from 8 to noon tomorrow. Good bunch of guys put that on. Great place to go to, and see if I can pick up some stuff for the Model A. That'll be great. I would love to pick up some drums for the rear end. That's basically what I'm lacking to get that thing to be a roller. Um, but yeah, we're gonna keep on going with the truck. Can't wait to drive it. So that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share with all your friends. I appreciate everybody, and keep on tinkering. Peace.